Hey Christian, Blake just shot me through your email regarding resetting up the CRM for your new or for the campaign that you've just relaunched. I've tried logging into the active campaign logins that I had previously. When I first set it up, I couldn't get in. So unless they've changed, or you got a new account or something, can you please just shoot, if you want me to set it up, can you shoot over the details so I can get in there and connect it up? But what I would suggest is definitely have an SMS. That can be step one. As soon as they opt in, they get an automated SMS saying thanks for opting in. Just a real short and sweet one from yourself, saying we'll be in touch in the next 24 hours, something like that. And then in Active Campaign, we can actually set up a pipeline. So I'll show you an example that we've done. All right, so here's a pipeline that I've set up, and we can set this up in your Active Campaign as well. So as soon as someone comes in, they can hit the step one, which would be follow up, and then you can fill in, or you can create different stages of the deal that you want, and then at each stage they can send out automated emails based on the life stage of that contact through your pipeline. So I can set all that up, automate that whole process. I'll just need access, obviously, to your Active Campaign. I believe we've got access to the Facebook Business Manager and the ad account, so that's all cool. So if you just want to share the access and just let me know the details of what campaign it is, and any automated emails and the SMS, I can set it all up. I'll just need the content from you guys. So let me know there, and if you want to have a call sometime tomorrow or this week, anytime to go through it all, let me know and we can jump on a quick 10-15 minute chat. Otherwise, just shoot me an email and I will chat to you guys soon. Thank you.